Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door bean in the Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door bean. There are two types of door beans used in the fresh food compartment of this refrigerator. This one is mounted on the left door. It's used for additional storage of produce. The most common reason to replace the door bean is if it cracks and no longer stays in place or keep the food in. To get to the part, we need to open the left side French door. To remove the door bean, we need to push it up and then we can pull it out. This is the old door bean next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new door bean, we need to match these tabs on the sides with the cutouts here on the door. I'm going to place it in and then press it down. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.